glass cabinet. They're cabinet knobs, drawer pulls. We've been making knobs for almost 200 years, a little over 200 years. But these are kind of unique in the sense that they're hollow, and they're made out of hard glass, so they're very durable, very impact resistant. I've come up with a very unique way to put them together that makes them somewhat pretty affordable to a lot of the market, offering a really cool value on the knobs in the sense that I'm going into I'm offering a middle range knob, and there are no hand blown middle range knobs. They're all very high priced, and other than that, you step into the cast glass, which is cheap. You know what I mean? So, I think I got a really unique product, and looking to get that into production. In the past, I gotta say, in the past I've done a lot of jewelry work, and I still consider my beadwork a great passion. In the glass work, I enjoy doing the beads. It's a very artistic and expressional part of glass blowing. As far as the real movement in lamp working, it really started with the pipe making industry, and it created a whole movement in lamp working. Gave lamp workers an ability to make money with their craft, and that has moved into some great areas as far as the arts go. It's given lamp workers the ability to step in areas that they wouldn't have been able to step into without the movement of glass pipes. And that really comes out of Eugene, Oregon, and Snodgrass is the father of that. He brought the lamp working to the underground movement of the Grateful Dead scene. It spurred a lot of hippies to be able to drop off the grid and lamp work, and that's created a real generation, a whole generation of lamp workers. Up until then, it was really just a small handful of lamp workers left in the world, and it was practically dead. It was a dying art.
That was close. That was close.
It's alright. I can live. It's a short point, but I can live.
Yeah, my jewelry's, I've gotten pretty contemporary and pretty elite with my jewelry. It's fun, I consider that the more fun part. The knobs is, production, and, trying to step into some production items with the glass, other than, a lot of glass blowers are really dependent on pipes to be their production and to support themselves, and I've tried to find as many other outlets for the glass as I can, so that I don't have to make pipes. Making pipes, just between me and you, I'm not saying that I haven't, but there's a lot of other avenues for glass out there other than pipes. Pipe has been a great inspiration for the glass movement, but there's many products that can be produced and designed in glass for all kinds of different outlets. From major production to small, very artistic levels. You know what I mean? And I think if a glass blower is really determined, other crafts or other ways of making money with lamp work, and I think they all thrive. They're all wishing they could make that leap, but they keep making pipes, because it's so easy. You can make some pipes, walk into a head shop, and boom, they'll buy them like that. You know what I mean? But try and make some beads and some rings and some pendants, and bracelets and all these other things, and then go out and and believe in your art, believe in your skill enough to sell those kind of things. There's numerous venues for a lamp worker to find other outlets than pipes, but you still want to stay within some certain items so that you can repeat one thing over and over, because one thing I've learned as a lamp worker, by repeating one thing over enough times, that it gives you more skill and understanding with the medium, so that the medium in your hands is like English coming out of your mouth. It just flows. It's that easy. It's just flow.